Previously on Cheryl in London.
So this is for the coronation. And this is like pretty normal in Taiwan. I feel like in New York, people are really cold sometimes. And the second thing is like this and the fountain of Central Park. Coronation.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet.
I found Harry Potter's owl. Wow. And then the train. So cool. 他死了，超难过，我哭超惨。Taiwanese restaurant here. So cool.
But that's something I don't regret.
Wasabi. 纽约有一家哎。This is the Chinatown in London. There's like a, what is that? Is that a lion? A dragon? Doesn't look like it, but Chinatown in London. Right there. I just saw this boba shop. So cute. But I don't really want boba right now. So I'm just gonna pass. But that was cute. Just not a boba person. Unless I see tiger sugar, then I'll try.
You'll try.
I mean, not try. I already know it's good, but other than that, I don't really want to try boba. Oh my god, they have this place. I don't know what it's called in English actually. 鲜鲜英文是什么?
Meat fresh.
Meat fresh. I love this place from Taiwan, and I haven't had it in 5 years. But we don't have it in New York, so yeah, let's come here later. My grandma used to like it so much, and yeah, I usually had it with my grandma. This is like the trash in New York City. They have Chipotle here too. My favorite. This is TK Maxx instead of TJ Maxx. I wonder if it's the same store or not. Got popcorn. Okay. Wait, so that's for like appetizer?
Yeah. So
Okay.
beef dripping popcorn.
Okay.
Just gonna grab you some water.
Thank you. And where are we going? I'm leading the way.
And then you're the table just on the right.
Right here? Okay, here? Okay, thank you.
Yeah, beef dripping popcorn, citrus infused water, and all the specials are on the board just over there.
Okay, thank you. You guys, look at this. This is so adorable. Like, what? I was looking for the restroom and I turned right. I was like, excuse me, is there a restroom here? And he's like, huh? And I was like, oh, the bathroom. And he's like, huh? The restroom, the bathroom? I was like, loo? He's like, huh? I was like, the toilet. And then he was like, oh, yeah, come with me. You have to say toilet. What about the loo? I thought it was like loo. Like, no restroom, no bathroom, no loo. You have to say the toilet. I was like, how do you call it? He's like, toilet. This is our first meal together in London. First meal, right? First and last meal in London. Because we landed and we had some food on the airplane and we've just been exploring around. She recommended, so hopefully it's good. 这时候可以吃吗？Good, thank you. 不知道是什么，没什么。These are so cute. You can get ice cream with this. Exchange ice cream with this, or you can keep it. 这样丢进去吗？我要巧克力。Cheers。很不错，不是那种随便的香气。It's really good. It's not just like a whatever ice cream. This is actually really good. We're going to a bar close by. So cold.
Every night I close my eyes and see all that I've been to dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things?
We are at the Swift bar in Soho. Not Soho, New York City, but Soho in London. I think their interior is very cute. So cute. I love the bar. 镜头在这边。这什么东西啊？很好喝。它就是那个不是对，我还要看一下是什么酒。The tequila is like really strong. I like tequila. No, I don't like tequila, but I like tequila in margarita. I think so. So it's like similar to margarita, but I think the tequila is like way too strong, and I can't handle it. Because there's like the Japanese yuzu. That's like kind of like citrus. This is really good, really smooth. That one, she likes that one, but to me, like that one is like the tequila is too strong for me.
I think I'm right here. I like it.
Running through million things I can't undo. Don't you sleepwalk, don't you sleep talk.
啊，我知道了，
来破音。
但我忘记了我要说什么了。
We're done with the bar, and then we are going home now.
Yeah.
We each had one drink.
Do you like it?
I liked it, yeah. It was good. The bar was cute. How long did we stay there for?
1 hour? An hour?
Only an hour?
Or maybe 2 hours.
Yeah, we only had one drink because, you know, can't drink too much. We're so tired because we barely slept last night on the airplane. Yeah, we barely slept. So yeah, we're going home. It's probably gonna take about 20 minutes to get home.
Yeah.
And yeah, day one in London. It's over now. Anyway. Going to the subway. I don't know if we're going the right way. She seems a little confused. London subway is called Tube. Tube. Underground and override?
Overground.
Underground and overground. But that's like the same as New York and Taiwan. Right? We have underground and overground.
But we also call MRT.
Okay, yeah, I guess we don't have a, but basically it's the same thing because you have like underground and overground. Just we don't have like a specific name.
Only change in Taiwan. Because if you want to go underground to overground, you need to change.
Here?
Another station.
Ah, I see what you're saying. Okay, so I guess like New York City is more like Taipei, so you don't have to change. You'll just like go from underground to overground.
坐一下。我没有抛弃它，只是换个主人而已。
She went to get her flower from her friend. Yeah. Cute. Her birthday present she got for herself. This is so pretty. From Finland. These are from our childhood. I don't know. I feel like it's not as good as before. Is this the same brand?
Yeah, it's the same brand.
Are you sure? 小呆瓜吗？
小瓜呆。
But I feel like it tastes different. I feel like before it was better. I'm gonna taste test this chocolate. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. We're home now.
Are you drunk?
No, I'm just tipsy.
You sure?
Uh-huh. It's pretty good. I love the packaging. So cute. She's flossing right now.